Now I'm going to introduce a tool, a method of solving problems called conversion factors. Conversion factors are a form of dimensional analysis, and this is where we use the units that are with numbers in order to help us do the calculation. Now for this particular problem, you might be able to just get out your calculator and know right what to do, but I'm just doing a small one or a simple one to show you kind of how it works. And so let's set it up. So we're going to start with the number that was given. And it's kind of important, we'll get into this more later, but when possible, I want to start with a number that is one number with one unit like this, and not with numbers that are related to each other, where you see two numbers, two units that are kind of connected. But anyway, so start with this, and then I'm going to do a fraction next to that, and I'm going to put grams down here so that it will cancel with that one, and then I will put pounds up here because that's what I want to be left over. And then when I fill in numbers here, I need to make sure the top equals the bottom, and that's where this one comes in. So my grams did cancel, and my only unit left was pound. What I ended up doing in this one is basically dividing. Now this part, this fraction, is called a conversion factor. Conversion factors always have two units and two numbers, and they show a relationship. And again, where the top equals the bottom, they go together. Let's look at another way to write this. And this means the same exact thing. This is a fraction, and I will maybe have more steps as well sometimes where it goes on to the right. This is just a one-step conversion factor problem. I always have some given here. And remember what I said, that if you have a long word problem and you have a choice, find the numbers that is just one number, one unit, doesn't show a relationship. So that's where we put the given. And then whatever unit we're trying to get rid of goes down here. So this one, there's always this diagonal pattern so that they'll cancel. So this is the unit. And then the unit that we want goes up here. Again, this is just a one-step problem. We could, if we wanted to go on and convert to ounces or something like that, we could do another step with pounds on the bottom and ounces on the top. But we always have this, we cancel out what we don't want and have left what we do. We will do a lot of examples of these, but I'm going to show you all of these. On some of the slides, it doesn't have tera up here, which is 10 to the 12th. And let me write in what these all mean. So tera is T-E-R-A. This is giga, mega, kilo, deci, centi, centa, we say a lot. This is not meters, this is the prefix. This one is micro, N is nano, and P is pico. And those are the prefixes that can go with the base units. When I say base units, the ones we see right so far are liters, grams, and meters. And so you can put, like I could say a picometer, and that would be 10 to the negative 12th meters.